And I tell you my God, you know my style, you know pictures, then it's all up, baby. If you say you get the man, then you wanna try, you could go die, baby. You've been a landslide for a long time.
So I got my headband, I can't say this, headband wig. I keep saying headband wigs. What? I got my headband wig from Divaswigs. I have worked with them in the past. I will post it on the screen somewhere if you guys remember. Hopefully you guys do remember. So I received a headband wig from Divaswigs. So this is how it comes, you guys. Okay, you get your wig wrapped for protection. You also get some free headband. What? You also get some free headbangs. And then it comes with a brush. Thank you, because I need a brush. Also comes with some wig caps, but I opened these. Y'all, this is just, did I look this dark? Yeah, so I got some wig caps. I did open it already. And then you also get a brochure with all your wig information, and also, you know, your name and stuff is on the back. So y'all, I'm very excited. Oh wait, grab your bottle of wine, y'all, because we going in today. I keep seeing this trend all over YouTube, y'all. All over. Like every time I log into YouTube, I see headband wig, headband wig. I keep seeing this trend. So when they contacted me, I was like, yeah, I'll definitely try it out. Let my subbies know, is this worth your money? I'm going to tell you the truth, if it's worth your money. Now, they did send me this wig for free. I don't know how much it costs, but before you guys see this video, I'll have it on the screen. I will search how much it costs, and I will tell y'all the truth, because these days, child. So this is the wig, you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys too much, because it's like y'all have already seen these wig videos so many times. But I'm not gonna lie, as soon as I received the wig, I washed it. I've been doing that also with a lot of the clothes and items I've been receiving, because, you know, during this time you want to make sure that you're, you know, protected. So this is how the wig looks, you guys. It's just a curly black and dark brown oh, sorry guys, you guys can't see. A curly black and dark brown ombre curly headband wig. That's basically it. I will leave the details on the screen for you guys, as in the inches, the density, and all that. I will tell you guys this. When I first unboxed this wig, I was like, where's the density? Is it 10%? But then I washed it and then it got bigger. But when I first unboxed it, I was like, I know they ain't sent me this thin, but they didn't. It got some nice volume. So yeah, this is how it looks, you guys. I'm just gonna give you guys a close up. This is when I washed it last night, actually, and then I let it air dry. So this is how it looks when it air dries. It's giving me my real hair vibes. Now, so this wig comes with the headband attached. This does not come off. I don't know. I just wanted to let y'all know that, because I didn't want y'all to think that you could take it off. You can't take it off. The point of it is to put the other headband on it. So how you attach it, and my hair been getting stuck on it, y'all. How you attach it is with the Velcro strap on the back, but I'll show you guys once I install it. It also comes with 1, 2, 3 combs, okay? 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 in the middle of your head. And then that's basically how the wig comes. Now, for my hair, the first time I tried the wig on, it didn't fit. I was very upset because I was excited to try this wig out, but I realized I was doing it wrong, you guys. So you're supposed to, I guess, put your hair back in a slick type ponytail. I'm giving Mulan. Yesterday when I did this, my braid was a little longer, but it's all right. But yeah, I'm giving I curled up. It don't look as good. But yeah, so that's what I did today. I slicked my hair back and also did my baby hairs. Your baby hair is vital for this wig, okay? If you purchase this wig, if you purchase any other type of headband wig, y'all, make sure you got some edges, because if you ain't got no edges, child. And this is not for women that have big foreheads like me. Y'all will see why very soon. You pour up my wine. Got my Sutter home. Now, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I'm about to play my soca mix and just let this speed through, because I can't sit here and just be talking to y'all. I'm sorry. It's just because y'all not talking back, so it's like I can't do it.
No, we're not back, friend. What you call friend? So, you do better than them.
Pussy them.
Everywhere me go, me get a bag of girlfriend. And that time of them are dirty. Oh, comes an hour. All who have a passport, put your hands in the air. Watchman things them. All who have a passport, put your hands in the air.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
Huh?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Yo, big up the bad security, them now.
Nothing is impossible if I
Magnum something with there.
can spread.
Yo, Magic City. Blessing off a flow like a river.
Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a.
Anyhow, you see Magnum get back in visa. What you call that?
Man, I talk about changes in life.
Yeah, jump on a plane if you like.
Mommy don't complain, she alright.
Hardband.
No more pain in her eyes.
You have some boy born and grew up as a punk and a pussy.
No tell me.
The man never say you grew rough.
Watch out now. Man grew up on the badness, but my flare it up. Girl in the front seat of the beamer, so me change gear.
Ah.
Hey, a bag of money there, so for share it up. Woo. Ravers.
I want you to
Pull up in nice street, jump out, I Jeep, grind me, go get a grand bag. Every girl,
Some of them only look slick per holiday.
she want roll with bad.
Yo, girl, let's have a flare.
You know here we.
Go around at the bar.
Some boys say them bad like me.
Big up to the man that me a shell down the bar, ladies.
No man can't say me ever beg him, I know my style that. Put me Kyle to him out, me we flop that. Hear me have me when I'm money, yeah me got that. Oh oh, oh oh. And as me step in, every girl I feel like chat can't chat.
All my ladies, we have your money, wave your hands in the air.
For them one just be my.
Every girl, we have your money, wave.
Oh oh.
Wow.
Me no depend on nobody because me have me money. Can't tell me how to spend it cause I feel.
The girl them when I send man call me.
Because me.
You not send them no request.
How to spend it cause I feel me money. Independent girl. Now fi check when me spending girl.
The man never say you know a fish.
see to me lend.
Because
No for them blend up for Benz. For your drinks or a dinner. No for them twist up for bima.
your brother. But now boy can't walk on my one way. Me say oh no no.
Nothing. And nobody can make me sell my soul. Cause I know. Oh, can't pinch me for no NC. Can't tickle me for tickler. Don't follow them going on some.
A girl ever tell you say she single and she not single.
Like a prisoner.
After me find out you girl.
You lie to me. You lie to me.
Cool.
Yeah.
Girl.
That's alright, don't worry about it. Never me know you never love nobody. I'll be alright like I always been. I'll be alright like I'm Superman. Your body built from a supermodel. Sexy shape like a cola bottle.
You can't tell me your pussy tight and the man a slip out. Baby, watch you now.
Your pussy make him have to come home. Tell her you alone. Sit down on the cocky like I say you feel your throne. Tell your pussy pretty, send a picture to me phone. Bubble pan the grizzly, yeah, me love it when you moan. If your man cocky dead, kick him with a stone.
Big up to the girl them with the Obi a hole.
With a comb, see the cocky you wet, younger than a
No, you all coming like Obi a.
pussy where you hook.
Because me nah live. The girl them say your man can't left you touch your toes. No touch your toes, baby, car.
She love turn back weird. Can't tell the pressure but the pum pum break.
Yeah, left you.
The man ya look slave. Wood fire up in a me hole.
Hardband.
Boom off the body and done.
Boom off the cocky and done.
Buck it off for the fun.
Revolt me body and done.
Hello, you girl at the bar, you see you.
Make we go in a delight, happy nice like it door. Set you up on your knees and be in a score. Set the ballador when you wine, watch it goal. Girl, you are me queen, and me wife, and me whore. Give your money for your spree, give your right for your.
Talisha, big up yourself.
Every night now your hole. Sachi fi Sachi, be your, fi be your. She ne.
Every girl in the club. Ready?
Tell you what, hotter than the rest. Tell you better.
The girl them say you're drunk and there's a new man you want in a hole. A new man you want.
My mind that's straight, but me I try rewrote it. Can't believe me I sing about it. Done. Me I know the type to give me man bun, but no.
Hardband.
Fresh I done, fresh paint.
I said a girl can't call me free. Mad?
Can't call me.
Mad them every day.
And everybody see.
Your Spanish boss, you know the ball game go.
Step out clean at the place. Them a
Beg me not done it, not done it, not done it.
not done it, not done it, not done it.
Car.
Not done it. Fuck enough boy, girl, show me style and no money, no money, no.
Timothy, you know when the normal.
Them a fi beg me not.
Magnum Sunday with her, I mean.
She's jealous of the rain that fall on my skin closer than her hands ever been.
Nah, she said fuck with the
boss.
boss.
She know that's a win. As God I'm higher than.
When you see me come a road, Bless you, don't see man bless. No, just me impress. Sex is all I expect, and I watch TV in the X. They know, off my flow, move to the ladies. Imagine you come for party and some boy you look problem. No, we're going earlier.
Hold up. Remember me telling say no fit trust Babylon. Them not know justice, them a bogus.
Spanish boss, so we're going earlier. Watch it.
Sunshine.
Anytime they road me, I feel load up.
Have I said the people, them not know love. Them a murder, me come a close up.
Some of them broke and can't go to the bar.
Yeah, why you all talk about money and you ain't got none?
And you know that you broke. Huh?
Why you all wanna talk about the white lady? You ain't got no dope. Why you know about the big Benz Parker?
When a man a sell drugs, he must sell drugs alive, you know. One way in, one way out. So make I tell you this.
Brick pam brick.
Oh!
Brick pam brick.
One way in, one way out.
Brick pam brick. When me I use my chopper phone, no chatting a lot. No ramp with me mother.
Some boy can't remember when last time get a new girl. You make I tell you this, dog.
If I say 6, no girl, no, why we not the oxy, I mean, not the product. Burning, you know, yeah.
No, tell them catch up.
Yeah, and if you're not say 6, no girl, don't want you. Bobby not the oxy.
What do you trick a girl and tell her me I married her?
Yeah, me the call you. She a good enough.
No, hold on.
Dreams, dog.
Hardball!
Now where you gone, son?
Cause from a day the girl in my buy dreams.
Dreams, dog.
Chasing the dreams, dog.
One Psalms a day beg Jah for guide me and my team, dog.
I said dreams, dog.
Dreams, dog. Chasing my dreams, dog. Rest in peace, Kylie.
You know a big league with thing there.
Y'all, oh shit, y'all too far. You guys, oh my god, listen. Oh my god, first of all, I want to say a couple things. Okay, so this wig is not 100% go to the club safe. I will say that. It is secure, but it doesn't give me security of going to the club, getting into a fight. I just wanted to let y'all know that. Another thing, so I have no issues with this wig, y'all, okay? I do like the fact that I don't have to use no lace. There's no lace, excuse me. I don't have to use no glue. I can keep my edges. And this is literally a protective style, okay? This is Netflix and chill approved, okay? If a dude call you like, hey, I'm outside, or hey, I'm about to come in 10 minutes, we're going on a date. You don't need to find nobody to braid your hair. You just whoop, slap this on. I'm very impressed, I'm gonna be honest. I'm impressed more than I thought I was going to be impressed because I really didn't think the wig was going to be this nice. But I was like, you know what? It's too big. Let me add some water. Let me see what's going to happen. So, yeah. So, I tried to put it in a ponytail. And the sides are kind of like a little bulky. And it feels like a hat. But I think this would work in a low ponytail. I don't think this really works in a high ponytail. But, I mean, if you're just in the crib and you're taking pictures, you know, because we quarantine and stuff still for the whole year. You just want to take pictures, you feel like getting cute, okay, boom, you can put it in a high ponytail. But for pictures, yes. But other than that, I would leave it down. I love the way it looked down. It didn't look like my hair. It looked so natural. So natural. Now, I will say this. When they contacted me and told me to pick out a wig, I picked out a wig that had lighter ends. So I was a little shocked when I did receive the wig and it was, the ends were a little darker. But I didn't mind because it was like whatever to me. But personally, I really do love this wig. I do think it's worth the money. I'm going to post the cost. Actually, no. Let me not be fake. Let me look to see how much this wig costs because, chow. Okay. And it costs $119.90. Okay. So, yeah, $120. And you get 15% off with my code. 15% off. Let's ask Siri. What is 15% off $120? So you save $18 with my code. So this wig will run you about $100 US. And this is not bad for $100. Like the wigs I be buying, they cost car notes. They are expensive. But I am very happy. Thank you to Divaswigs for even contacting me. Thank you to Divaswigs for even contacting me for this wig video. I'm very grateful for the opportunity. And I really like this. I like it more down than I like it up. But I just wanted to see how it looked up. And y'all, let me know what y'all think. Am I giving big forehead? Am I giving, you know, this wig reminds me of the old, remember when we used to, back in the day when you used to go to the beauty supply store and you got a, what's it called? Not a hue part wig, a half wig. This is giving me half wig evolved. That's what it's giving me. It's giving me half wig, but better concealment. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna rate this. 5 out of 5. I have no complaints. I did get a little bit of shedding. And you know, I showed it to you guys in the clip. I did get a little bit of shedding. And that's really it. It didn't come stinking. Y'all, I just got this. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I got from another company that stinks. But yeah, so I really love this wig. I hope you guys liked it too. It's real quick, real easy, real. I'm about to go to the corner store. I'm about to go pick up my daughter. I'm about to go real easy. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Comment down below. Let me know if you like this wig, if you would wear it. Does it look like it's worth $100? Y'all let me know. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.